Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to insert the different types of lines in Microsoft Excel. To do this, just click on Insert and then in this Illustrations group, click on this Shapes. There in the second position, you have Lines. There are different types of lines guys, like lines with no arrows, lines with single arrows, lines with double arrows, lines with 90-degree turn, also some lines which can be drawn freehand like you used to draw in paint, and some more curved lines with arrows. So now we can use it according to the demand to our projects. Okay, now guys, if you want to do any editing in this line, if you wanna change the color or you wanna change something, then you just select the line, and after selecting, here this format tab will be created, new drawing tool format tab, where you can select the shape style, okay, line style, or you can select from here like this, or you can have any shape effect. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.